So this will be my very first time ever driving my dream car. Exciting.
Nice.
For many years now, I have been spotting Supras from around the world.
Wow.
And I have been so addicted to them and so inspired by them that today we got our hands on a Supra. I've never had the opportunity to drive one myself. I'm so excited and so nervous because it's so beautiful. This is what the interior looks like. This is obviously a seat cover because we've rented this car. They've taken good care of it in preventing it from people like us driving and making it dirty.
We're dirty people.
Yeah.
Stunning.
Stunning. This is a 2020 Toyota Supra 3.0 with the turbocharged inline 6. From the factory, it makes about 335 horsepower and a 365 pound-feet of torque. It's paired with the 8-speed automatic transmission and does 0 to 60 in a little over 4 seconds. Honestly, it's pretty awesome platform right out of the box, but I might be a little biased. So pretty.
I can't have sunglasses on because I feel like I need to see everything. Fix the mirrors. Mirror check. Oh, that's how you bring it in. Stop. Go back out. Is that all it is? It's embarrassing. Unlock, then put it into drive. There's an unlock button on the side. Okay, ready? Okay. Okay. Ooh, it's a really nice drive. I thought it would be more touchy. I guess it would be more touchy if I was driving a manual. Wow. I don't know what I was expecting, but I was expecting it to have so much power that like it would be intimidating to drive. It feels like a car. Yeah. With a little bit more power. Ooh. And it's not even in sport mode right now. I like it.
First impressions?
It's a super smooth ride. I was expecting it to be like, ah! I want it so bad.
Well, it's yours for the day. Let's enjoy it.
Yeah. Okay, we're about to go for a ride. Trevor's gonna film us on the outside. It's gonna be like 5 minutes of just me smiling and driving. It's so nice. Like I can see over the steering wheel. That's good. You know? Just don't need a booster seat. Shut up, guys. Where's sport mode? Sport mode. So that's what happens when you're in sport mode. Much touchier in sport mode. Ooh, it's telling me it doesn't like how close I am to the car in front of me.
Did it say back up?
Yeah, I was like, yo, what are you doing?
It's telling you how to drive.
Don't mind me, I'm just precision driving.
Pull up, and pass hold. Cool. I want to get ahead of you again.
Yeah, stand by. Yeah, you're good.
Yeah,
Go for it.
In the corner.
Keep the speed, keep the speed.
Oh, this is a nice road for dippity doos.
Technical name.
Just not windy roads though, hey?
No, very straight roads here. You want to try sport mode?
Sure. You just click it?
Click it.
Ooh,
Ready?
Locked in, yep.
You ready? Hold on to your butts.
No, hold on my butt.
It feels so good when it goes that fast.
I was in fact not holding onto my butt, so
Did you lose your butt?
I lost my butt.
Back there?
Yeah.
I could see why you would want a manual, so that you could like. I think that's
Do
what the
the
paddles are for. Oh, I see. Okay.
Learning.
I felt like a race car driver.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's what those do.
So yeah, it's just for science.
Just do It's trying to pass us.
Rude. What shot is he getting right now? Oh, I see. I see you, Trevor. One of the fun things about precision driving, if you're the person who's in the front and you have a camera following you, you need to stay at a certain speed so that you're not like changing your speeds for the person in the back so they can get the shot. Hold on to your butts. I'm trying to set the pace so that Trevor can get all the shots that he wants while driving safely on the road. All the things. And if you aren't a professional driver, don't try this at home. We go left or right?
I don't know, wherever.
This looks cool.
Yeah, driving forever.
I know, he's probably like, this shot's too long. One of the funny things about film driving is that you have to know by how fast things are passing you, how quickly you're going. You're taking in so much information, you can barely look at your speed. You just have to keep that speed. When I look up here, I see that I'm going up a hill, so I know I'm gonna have to push a little bit harder for my throttle, and then as soon as I start coming down the hill, I know that I'm gonna have to let off because you don't also wanna see the brake lights happen in the back. If the brake lights are like, blip, 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 it doesn't really look good for a commercial. You hear the, when you slow down, it goes, da-da-da-da-da-da. I give this Supra 10 out of 10 Supra stars.
Pretty cool.
Did you see some of the shots?
Yeah.
Nice pit coffee stop with the car. And look at how cute this is. Show them the best part. The cute.
Oh, these?
Yeah.
Super cute. All of them have their own little messages on them.
So which one do you want?
Small steps matter.
Oh, my small little guy. Because I'm a small little guy. Okay, Trevor, which one are you gonna pick? Ooh, you dug for one.
Be a go-getter.
Do I need to stay humble?
Yeah.
I like this one.
Push past limits, good.
Push past limits. Cute.
Except you don't know how to put it on.
Sorry. Thank you for always helping me because I don't know what I'm doing in life. Do you like the coffee shop, Milo? I was trying to show you in the beautiful coffee shop area. Where are you guys looking? What the heck? He's looking at Supras in Vancouver because we're obsessed. But look how good it looks. I just walked by it, guys, and I was like, I want a Supra so bad. Coffee, cars, and dogs. It's a pretty fun day. What does this look like at night? Sorry, guys. I have officially driven this for the whole day. This car is fun. There's probably things I didn't discover with this, but the pedals are so low, I can actually use the pedals how you're supposed to, where you put your foot on the ground and you like use your toes. Yeah, I got to do that. The sound system is so good that when you roll down your windows, the way the air comes in, it doesn't block out any of the sound system. And it sounds like you have background cars to the music that you're listening to, which I can't explain
And
it.
you listen to a lot of music in cars.
I listen to a lot of music.
I think legitimately it's the most powerful car that's like a proper car that I've ever driven. In traffic, you change lanes and put your foot down. I didn't even put my foot to the floor and it just takes off.
I've never felt so cool in my life, and I can't believe that this could be a possibility that I'm allowed to drive a sports car.
I'm gonna miss this car.
Okay, maybe one day, guys. Dream big. Never stop dreaming. Super cool experience.
Super cool.
Supra cool.
Call me. You guys need me to test any of your guys' cars?
Toyota, I'm talking to you. You put the window up and down. It's like so calming. You know how some windows are like, nah! Feel your side.
Are you sure it's not just because it's a Supra?
It might be.